And so we're 2 years on now.
Yes.
How would you describe it now?
Well, I don't really know I've got it. Actually, I've forgotten about it. And I've got a huge range of movement in it, so I really don't give it much thought. I golf a bit, and that's no problem for golfing. It's a left hip. Mine was a left hip, and so that gives me no difficulty at all. I've never had any pain from it at all.
Which is perfect.
It has been a huge success, actually. I shouldn't have perhaps been as nervous as I was to begin with, but as long as it lasts me out, I don't want to have another one.
I think that echoes really other patients' experience. That by a year down the line, over 90% of patients in the UK generally have forgotten day to day they've even got a hip replacement in place. There's the occasional niggle where you go, oh, yes, but then that settles straight off, and then you generally forget. And that feeling can come at any point, really, from very, very early on after the surgery to sort of closer to a year down the line. But it generally comes for everybody, and that's why it's such a successful operation.
Yeah.